For too long, this bedroom's been used as storage, so today I'm gonna fix it up. So the first step is gonna be cleaning up all of this stuff, so then I can start working on the wall. Alright, I just got everything all cleaned up, and this is what we're working with. So I'll show you a little bit over here. This flooring got damaged from an old roof leak that got fixed, but that was coming through here. So that is all fixed now, but just have to replace all the drywall and fix up the paint. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the floor yet, whether I'm gonna patch it or do carpet down here yet. So we'll figure it out. But yeah, this is what it's looking like right now. So right now I'm just gonna be patching up that hole in the drywall and evening out all of the paint. So if you're able to see right here, all this drywall is loose. So I'm just gonna cut right along here so I can put in a new sheet and patch this whole hole up. So I'm just gonna cut this right now. Alright, so I got all the messed up drywall out of there. So now I'm just gonna be patching this up, and then I'm gonna be mudding it so it looks brand new. Alright, so I've got this piece of drywall all set up and measured, so I'm just gonna throw it on that. Probably gonna take me a while to mud up, so I'm just gonna do it off camera and then I'll come back once it's all done. Alright, I finally got this patched up. As you can see, I did a little bit of painting, but I will show you that. But right now I'm just gonna be putting some orange peel spray onto this wall to kind of match the texture. So I'll be doing that right now. Alright, here we go with the texture. So I decided I'm going to be doing carpet in this floor, so I'm not going to worry about the condition of the floor. I'm just going to be putting this down where the old boards came up from water damage, just to kind of fill the space. So I'm going to be doing that right now. Alright, I just finished up patching the floor. It looks a lot better. It's not perfect, obviously, but it doesn't really matter because carpet will be going down. This is the color that we chose. We were originally thinking a little bit different of a color, but we went to Home Depot to buy the paint, and we went to the Oops Paint section, and this was just like one shade off. So we got it for $7, but I really like it. Alright, the camera died when we were painting, but this is what it looks like right now. Painted the ceiling too, which I think looks really good. Alright, so right now I'm just going to be putting in this baseboard. I have it all measured up, so I'm just going to be cutting it and then I'm going to nail it in. Alright, so there's the first one. I'm going to be painting this and caulking all the edges and all that. So I'm going to put one over in that corner now. Alright, I've got these two put up, so now I'm just going to be measuring to see how many more I need to put up. Alright, I've got all of these boards cut to the right size, so now we're just going to be separating them equally throughout the wall and then nailing them in. So we'll do that right now. Finished up caulking this wall and all of the nail holes, so now it is ready for paint, and this is what it's looking like before I paint the new wood. I also finished caulking up this baseboard. Reaction, this is the first time she's seeing the wall.
Oh my god! Wait. Okay, that's really cute. That's gonna be so cute behind the bed.
The carpet guy's just finished, and here is what it's looking like right now. It is a total difference in this room from before. So right now I'm just going to be kind of putting in some decorations on the wall and doing a little bit of furnishing. Alright, we have got the bedroom all furnished now. So this is where we decided on putting the bed. It worked out a lot better than on the accent wall just with the space. But here we go. Here is everything over here. Looking pretty good. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I'm really happy with the way everything came out in here, and it's nice to not have a hole in my ceiling anymore. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.